Number 1. 1989 Ford F250, price $8,250, with just 61,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in white with a blue interior, this gasoline-powered truck is equipped with a reliable 351 Windsor 351W V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and a 2WD drivetrain. It has been carefully preserved over the years, remains completely rust-free, and comes with seat covers to help keep the interior in excellent condition. The truck runs well and offers the dependable performance expected from the legendary 351W engine, making it an excellent choice for cruising, weekend use, or adding to a classic truck collection. Although it needs a few minor finishing touches to be completely sorted, it is already a very cool, clean, and highly desirable pickup with plenty of character and a solid foundation for its next owner. Number 2. 1994 GMC 1500, price $8,995. It has been driven 198,000 miles. Finished in a classic tan exterior with a matching tan interior, it is powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This truck has been well cared for and remains in excellent overall condition, making it an increasingly hard-to-find example of a classic GMC full-size pickup. The truck features ice-cold air conditioning, a fully functional radio, and a clean, comfortable interior that has been kept in great shape over the years. It also comes equipped with a bed cover, providing added protection and practicality for hauling cargo, while the tires still have excellent tread for dependable road use. Combining its clean appearance, solid mechanical condition, and desirable extended cab configuration, this GMC 1500 is a beautiful, ready-to-drive classic that would make an excellent choice for both collectors and anyone looking for a dependable vintage pickup. Number 3. 1983 Chevrolet K10, price $10,500, powered by a recently rebuilt 305 V8 gasoline engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the truck has been driven 111,000 miles and remains a largely original example that has been well cared for throughout its life. It retains its original light blue metallic finish with one quality respray, while the body shows only minimal rust in a few small areas. The bed floor remains in excellent condition and has never been subjected to heavy use. Inside, it features the original dark blue vinyl bench seat, while the exterior is complemented by refinished factory steel wheels with original hubcaps and new BF Goodrich tires. A camper shell is included, and all gauges, lights, and electrical components operate as intended. It also comes with its original paperwork and owner's manuals, making it a well-preserved and highly original classic Chevrolet K10. Number 4. 1980 Dodge D150, price $4,500. It has been driven just 58,000 miles. Finished in yellow with a black interior, it is equipped with its original Mitsubishi-sourced gasoline engine from Japan and the factory automatic transmission. The truck has spent most of its life stored in a garage, helping preserve its original exterior and interior, both of which remain in very good condition with no rust or dents. The truck is currently being offered as a mechanic's special because the engine will not start. The issue may be related to the fuel pump or an installation problem, although the exact cause is unknown, and it will need to be towed for inspection and repair. Aside from the starting issue, the truck remains completely stock and original, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or repair while retaining its authentic factory condition. Number 5. 2001 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500. It has been driven 97,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in red with a clean gray interior, this well-maintained pickup has been mostly garage-kept and remains in excellent overall condition. It runs and drives smoothly with no mechanical issues, and a brand new battery has recently been installed. This S10 is fully equipped with power windows, power door locks, a tow package, excellent tires, ice-cold air conditioning, and a fully functional heater. Rust-free, fuel-efficient, and easy to drive, it offers a clean, reliable, and comfortable driving experience, making it an excellent choice for both daily use and light-duty hauling. Number 6. 2001 GMC 2500, price $5,300, powered by a reliable 6.0L gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Showing 180,000 miles, this truck is finished in an attractive green exterior with a gray interior that complements its rugged appearance. It comes with a rebuilt title and has been kept in solid mechanical condition. The engine and transmission are in great condition, delivering dependable performance and consistent reliability. Built on GMC's durable 2500 platform, this truck offers the strength and capability needed for towing, hauling, or everyday use.
Number 7.
1996 Ford F250, price $10,500. It has been driven 261,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine paired with a ZF5 manual transmission. Finished in an off-white exterior with a gray interior, this four-wheel drive truck features a manual 4x4 transfer case. The truck has recently received extensive front-end work, with nearly the entire front suspension replaced with new components. It is also equipped with brand new worn manual locking hubs, new rear shocks, and a heavy-duty Dana 60 front axle sourced from an F350.
As a smog-exempt vehicle, it does not require emissions testing for annual registration.
While it still needs a few minor items addressed, the truck is fully drivable and ready for its next owner.
Number 8.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $2,950, powered by the hard-to-find 5.9L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a classic white exterior with a clean gray interior, it has been driven 226,000 miles and remains in good overall condition for its age and mileage. As a Florida truck with a clean title and a clean Carfax, it has benefited from a rust-free environment, making it an appealing choice for buyers seeking a solid and well-maintained classic Dodge pickup. Inside, the cabin has been kept clean and offers a comfortable driving experience with cold air conditioning, power windows, and power door locks. The truck starts, runs, and drives as expected, while its rust-free body and well-kept interior reflect the care it has received over the years. Combining the sought-after 5.9L V8 engine, regular cab short bed configuration, and desirable Florida history, this 1999 Dodge Ram 1500 is a hard-to-find truck that is ready to be driven, enjoyed, or added to any collection of classic American pickups.
Number 9.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,300, with a red exterior and gray interior, gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and 203,000 miles. It features a 5.7L Vortec V8 engine that runs quietly and smoothly, paired with an automatic transmission that shifts well. The truck has a slam stance with a rear flip kit, drop shocks, C-notch, spindles, tubular control arms. It includes working heat and SE, GMT 800 bucket seats, a rear seat delete with hardware to reinstall the seat, stock exhaust, and a clean running drivetrain. Additional parts include new rocker panels, cab corners, paint-matched fenders, a rough country bed cover, and interior trim pieces.
Number 10.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $2,900, with 261,000 miles, featuring an automatic transmission, white exterior, and gray interior. Powered by a dependable V6 engine, this Ranger offers a great combination of durability and practicality, especially with its long bed that provides plenty of cargo space for work and hauling needs. The truck has recently received extensive maintenance, including a new battery, new shocks, new fuel pump, new spark plugs, new water pump, and many other updates to help ensure strong and dependable performance. Its automatic transmission makes it easy to drive, while the proven V6 engine delivers reliable power for various tasks. Although the air conditioning system is currently not working, the truck continues to offer excellent value with its strong maintenance history, durable build, and spacious bed, making it a practical and dependable vehicle for years to come.